we're out here. The workday's almost over. We thought, you know what? It'd be a great time to roast some marshmallows. We went and picked up one of these things. If you don't know what this is a torch. It's pretty self-explanatory. And when we had this brilliant idea to have marshmallows, we're like, you know what? Why don't we try and spray the interlock and save ourselves some time here? So let's give her a go. And you may think there's a million easier ways, but there's no easier way, and this is the only way it can actually be done, believe it or not.